Have you noticed those tiny black and white seeds? They seem to be everywhere these days, don't they? It's hard to miss their growing popularity, popping up everywhere. From your local health food store to your favorite online retailer, chia seeds are making their presence known. From smoothie bowls, adding a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrients to your morning blend, to supermarket shelves, they've become a staple in the health food aisle, vying for your attention amidst a sea of wellness products. Chia seeds have gone from niche, a relatively unknown ingredient tucked away in specialty stores, to global sensation, gracing the menus of trendy cafes and the ingredient lists of countless health-conscious recipes. And people are adding them to everything, experimenting with creative ways to incorporate these tiny powerhouses into their daily diets. Oats, puddings, providing a satisfying texture and a wealth of nutritional benefits. Even baked goods. They're sneaking their way into muffins, breads, and even cakes, adding a subtle nutty flavor and a boost of fiber. But is the hype real? Are chia seeds truly deserving of all the attention they're receiving? Can something so small, seemingly insignificant in size, really make a difference? Can these minuscule seeds actually have a tangible impact on your health and well-being? These seeds, from the Salvia hispanica plant, a flowering species native to central and southern Mexico and Guatemala, were prized by ancient Aztecs, who recognized their incredible nutritional value and incorporated them into their daily diets, and Mayans, who revered them as a source of strength and endurance, using them to fuel their warriors and sustain their communities. For their energy-boosting properties, they relied on chia seeds to provide sustained energy throughout the day, helping them power through demanding tasks and rigorous activities. Today, science is confirming, through rigorous studies and meticulous research, what those ancient cultures knew, validating their traditional wisdom with modern scientific evidence. Chia seeds can genuinely support your well-being. They offer a wide range of health benefits that can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant you. We're not just talking about a fleeting health fad or a superficial trend, about a sprinkle of fiber, although they are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Chia seeds offer a powerful combination of nutrients. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can nourish your body from the inside out. In this video, we'll break down the science behind chia seeds and explore the numerous ways they can benefit your health. What happens when you eat chia seeds every day, examining the long-term effects of incorporating these seeds into your regular diet, and why they've earned their spot in the spotlight. We'll uncover the reasons behind their widespread popularity and delve into the science that supports their health claims. Let's dive in and embark on a journey to discover the incredible potential of these tiny seeds, and discover the truth, separating fact from fiction and uncovering the real benefits of chia seeds. About the tiny seed making a big impact. Get ready to be amazed by the power packed into these little wonders. What's inside a chia seed? These tiny powerhouses might look unassuming, but they hold a wealth of nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. Let's take a closer look at what makes chia seeds so special and why they've become a staple in health-conscious diets around the world. A surprising amount of nutrition. Gram for gram, chia seeds pack a punch that rivals many other superfoods. They're loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients that contribute to overall well-being. Just 2 tablespoons deliver about 10 grams of mostly soluble fiber, which is a substantial portion of your daily recommended intake. This high fiber content is one of the key reasons why chia seeds are so beneficial for your digestive system. Great for gut and heart health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Furthermore, it aids in lowering cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Chia seeds are also a rare plant-based complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes them an excellent protein source for those following vegetarian or vegan diets, ensuring they get all the necessary building blocks for optimal health. That means they help build and repair tissues, which is crucial for recovery after exercise and maintaining overall muscle health. Protein is essential for numerous bodily functions, and chia seeds provide a convenient and easily digestible source. Support muscles and keep you feeling full. The combination of fiber and protein in chia seeds creates a feeling of satiety, which can help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. For vegetarians and vegans, they're a simple way to boost protein without animal products. They seamlessly integrate into various dishes, from smoothies to baked goods, making it easy to increase protein intake without compromising dietary choices. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, which supports brain and heart health. ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid, is an essential fatty acid that the body converts into other beneficial omega-3s. These fats are vital for cognitive function, cardiovascular health, and reducing inflammation. They're also packed with antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol, which protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and various diseases. So, with every spoonful, you're getting fiber, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, a true nutritional powerhouse. It's nature's multivitamin, all in one tiny seed. No wonder they're so popular. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your overall health and well-being. From supporting digestion to promoting heart health and providing essential nutrients, these tiny seeds offer a wide range of benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. What happens when chia seeds hit your stomach? Their soluble fiber absorbs liquid and forms a gel. This gel adds bulk to your stool, helping things move smoothly and preventing constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and supporting a healthy microbiome. Many people notice improved regularity and less bloating after adding chia seeds to their diet. Start with a teaspoon a day and increase gradually, always drinking plenty of water. The gel can also soothe your gut lining, making chia seeds gentle on your digestive system. With this simple habit, you're cleansing, nourishing, and supporting your digestive tract. It's a small change with big benefits for gut health. Enjoy your chia pudding knowing you're doing your body a favor. Your heart deserves the best support, and chia seeds deliver with omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants. The ALA in chia seeds helps lower blood pressure and triglycerides, reducing heart disease risk. Omega-3s also fight chronic inflammation, which can damage your heart and blood vessels. Think of them as a natural fire extinguisher for inflammation. The soluble fiber in chia seeds helps manage cholesterol by binding to it and carrying it out of your body. This can lower LDL or bad cholesterol and protect your cardiovascular system. Antioxidants add another layer of protection, fighting oxidative stress. Eating chia seeds daily means you're supporting your heart from multiple angles. It's a simple, delicious way to invest in long-term heart health. Show your heart some love, one spoonful at a time. Managing weight and blood sugar can be tough, but chia seeds make it easier. Their fiber forms a gel in your stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied so you eat less. The protein in chia seeds also curbs appetite and keeps hunger at bay. This combo helps you control portions and avoid unnecessary snacking. Chia seeds also slow the absorption of carbs, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. Stable blood sugar means steady energy, fewer cravings, and better mood. Add chia to meals with carbs to lower their glycemic impact. It's a simple way to support weight management and metabolic health. One small addition, big results. Chia seeds are great for most people, but there are a few things to watch out for. Their high fiber can cause bloating or gas if you add too much too quickly. Start with a small amount and increase gradually, always drinking plenty of water. Without enough liquid, chia seeds can worsen constipation. Rarely, some people may have allergies, especially if you're sensitive to mint, sesame, or mustard. Watch for symptoms like hives or difficulty breathing, and consult your doctor if needed. If you're on medication for blood pressure or blood sugar, talk to your doctor before making chia a daily habit. The seeds can amplify the effects of your meds. Listen to your body and introduce chia seeds mindfully. With a little care, you can enjoy their benefits safely. How do you add chia seeds to your meals? Are you looking for simple yet effective ways to incorporate these tiny powerhouses into your daily diet? It's easy and delicious. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be seamlessly integrated into a variety of dishes. Make a classic chia pudding, a delightful and nutritious treat that's perfect for breakfast or dessert. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of seeds with half a cup of milk of your choice. Almond, soy, or dairy. It's all good. Sweeten to your liking with a touch of honey or maple syrup, and chill overnight. This allows the chia seeds to absorb the liquid, creating a pudding-like consistency. Stir them into oatmeal for added texture and nutritional value. Yogurt, adding a pleasant crunch and a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. Or smoothies. Just toss a spoonful into your blender for a thicker, more satisfying drink. For a fiber and protein boost, chia seeds are an excellent source of both, helping you feel fuller for longer and supporting healthy digestion. If you dislike the gel texture, which some people find off-putting, there's a simple solution. Grind them first and sprinkle the powder on your food. This eliminates the gel-like consistency while still providing all the nutritional benefits. Add chia to salads for a subtle nutty flavor and added crunch. Salad dressings, where they can act as a natural thickener and emulsifier. Soups or stews for extra nutrition and thickness. Chia seeds absorb liquid, creating a heartier and more satisfying meal. Use them as a binder in baking, a fantastic way to add moisture and nutrients to your favorite recipes. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia with 3 tablespoons of water to replace an egg. This is a great vegan alternative that adds a boost of healthy fats and fiber. Make energy balls with oats, nut butter, and chia for a quick snack. These are perfect for pre- or post-workout fuel or a midday pick-me-up. Or whip up a healthy jam by mixing mashed berries with chia seeds. The chia seeds will naturally thicken the jam without the need for added pectin. The options are endless. From breakfast to dessert, savory to sweet, chia seeds can be incorporated into almost anything. Experiment and find your favorites. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new combinations. With so many ways to use them, chia seeds are a convenient and versatile addition to any diet. Getting your daily chia is effortless. It's a simple way to boost your nutrient intake without sacrificing taste or convenience. Enjoy the versatility and health boost. Embrace the power of these tiny seeds and discover a world of delicious and nutritious possibilities. Let's meet Sarah, a 45-year-old office manager who struggled with energy slumps and digestive issues. She started adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to her daily yogurt. In the first week, she felt a bit fuller. By week 2, her digestion improved. After a month, her afternoon energy crashes disappeared, and she stopped craving sugary snacks. Her energy became steady, and she felt more focused at work. 3 months in, Sarah lost a few pounds and noticed clearer skin. The simple habit of eating chia seeds helped her feel balanced and revitalized. It wasn't a magic fix, but a small, consistent change with big results. Sarah's story shows how a tiny seed can make a real difference. The real power of chia seeds comes from consistent long-term use. Daily chia means steady omega-3s, which protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. They're rich in minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, great for bone health, especially if you don't eat dairy. Regular chia intake helps balance blood sugar and supports metabolic health, reducing diabetes risk. It's not about one meal, but the healthy pattern you build over time. Chia seeds nourish your gut, tame inflammation, and strengthen your body from the inside out. Each spoonful is a step toward lasting vitality and resilience. Make chia a daily habit for a healthier future. We've explored the mighty chia seed from nutrition to real-life benefits. Adding chia to your routine is a simple, powerful upgrade for your health. Start small. Add a teaspoon to 1 meal a day and see how you feel. Remember, health is built on small, consistent steps. Chia seeds offer fiber, protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants, everything your body needs to thrive. Like Sarah, you might be surprised by the ripple effects. Pick up a bag, experiment, and enjoy the journey. Here's to your health and the simple magic of chia seeds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy, science-backed health tips and inspiration. Hit the subscribe button and join our community for more ways to feel your best.